Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all safe and sound. These days we are locked down and so much precautions. So today I'm share with you guys my simplest breakfast and lunch recipes in a day. For breakfast, Kuboos Wrap, and lunch, snake or coconut milk curry and chicken wings roast. I know these are very simple recipes, but in my way. I hope you all like it. Keep watching. Starting with breakfast, first cut any green leaves. Here I am cutting lettuce and wash it thoroughly and drain the water. In a bowl, break 1 egg, add a teaspoon black pepper powder along with some salt and beat it. Heat the pan, add a tablespoon butter, then pour egg mixture. When the egg half cooked, sprinkle half a teaspoon crushed red chilli flakes. Then immediately place the kuboos on the egg. Egg should be half cooked, otherwise our kuboos will not bind it. Then press with a spatula for 15 seconds. Flip it over, cook 15 seconds. Again turn the kuboos, cook another 15 seconds. Then take it off. Spread a tablespoon tomato sauce over the omelette. Place some lettuce leaves. Add a little mayonnaise. It's completely optional, or add any of your favorite topping, then wrap it tightly. Cut and serve hot along with some fruit. Here I am taking a banana and some strawberries. I'm really enjoying my breakfast. Do try at your home. Let's move in lunch menu. First I'm preparing snake or coconut milk curry. Very simple and very less time. For this, cut the snake cod. It's my favorite part. Cutting vegetables, I love it. Here I am taking 750 grams of snake cod, clean and cut into small pieces. Take 2 medium-sized onion. Shallots is the best option, but now I don't have shallots, so I am taking large one. Chop the onion and chop 4 to 5 green chilies. It's up to your spicy level. First, add snake cod in a vessel. Add a tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil gives good flavor for curry. Then add a tablespoon cumin powder and some curry leaves. Turn on the flame and mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and close the lid. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add half of the onion and all green chilies, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and some salt, and saute well and cook for a couple of minutes. Then add half a cup water. When the water is boiling, add 1 cup thick coconut milk and cook 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Now let's tempering for curry. Heat the pan, add 1 or 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add a teaspoon cumin powder. You can add whole cumin seeds, it's give a great aroma. Then add half a teaspoon hing or asafoetida and some curry leaves. Then add remaining onion. Saute until the onion turns golden brown color. Then immediately pour in the curry. Close the lid and our authentic snake heart curry is ready. For chicken roast, I am taking 1 kg chicken wings. First marinate the chicken wings. Take the chicken, add a teaspoon pepper powder, a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon curry powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can add coriander powder. Add some salt, mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Then fry well. Heat the vessel, add 2 tablespoons oil, add whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 2 pieces cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3 cloves, 4 to 5 peppercorns, 5 to 6 crushed cardamom pods. Then add 2 large sliced onion and saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns transparent. Then add a tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add 3 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Then add a large chopped tomato, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and cover. Cook 2 minutes. Add half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon curry powder and some salt. Mix and cook until the raw smell is gone. Add fried chicken pieces and a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and turn off the flame and serve simple meal for the day. That's for today's video. Hope you'd like it. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more new updates. Stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. See you guys in another video. Until then, thank you.